Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Socket Holder is probably one of the most convenient and practical inventions for organizing your home or office space, eliminating the hassle of drilling holes in your walls. This adhesive-based holder provides a strong and reliable solution for keeping your electrical sockets and chargers neatly in place, and it's incredibly easy to install and remove without leaving any damage behind, making it perfect for renters or anyone who wants a quick and clean way to manage their cords and devices. Number 5. Adhesive Socket and Cable Kit. It's so easy to use. Just peel and stick the adhesive pads, no tools needed. Save time and get organized in minutes. This kit isn't just for power strips. It also keeps your cords and cables neat and tidy. The different sized clips work with various wire thicknesses. Made from high-quality, eco-friendly material, it's built to last. The strong adhesive keeps everything securely in place, even on textured surfaces. Use it for power strips, routers, remotes, or anything you want to keep off your desk or wall. The possibilities are endless. You get 10 power strip holders and 40 cable clips. That's plenty to organize all your electronics and cords. Everything you need is included. What we like. This kit is incredibly easy to install, no tools needed. It's also incredibly versatile, holding power strips and various cables. If you need a simple, durable solution for organizing your cords and power strips, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. I am using these to hold a network switch, Hue hub, and surge protector in a media box. These work great. They hold them in place, but I can easily remove the devices if I need to. These work great. I used them to route a 15-foot extension cord along a sliding glass door and to its needed destination. Stuck tight. I'd use a double and a tiny single to do turns or corners, otherwise the pressure of turning pops off the double holder. The two work together to keep it in place. Easy install. On the floor next to my bed lives a power strip that all kinds of things in the area are plugged into it. And it tends to wander about a bit, just basically looking junky. These little two-piece sets are a great solution. I adhered one piece to the lower side rail of my bed and the other to the back of the power strip. Slid the strip onto the bed rail and it has held on tight. Got the messy tangle of cords up off the floor where I can wrap them up and secure them out of the way. No more traveling power strip dragging cables and wires all over the place. Excellent idea. Number 4. Yinkin Power Strip Holder. It comes in a pack of 6, so you'll always have enough. Each one is the perfect size for everyday use and easy to share. No tools are needed. Its adhesive backing makes it simple to stick to many surfaces, saving you time and effort. Made from high-quality ABS material, it's built to last. It's sturdy, reliable, and won't easily break or deform. Its minimalist design is both stylish and practical. You can easily remove and reposition it as needed. It's not just for power strips. Use it to hold surge protectors, remotes, or even small decorative items. What we like. It's super easy to stick on any smooth surface. It's also sturdy and reliable, holding your items securely. If you're looking for a reliable and reusable solution that's easy to apply, this is the one for you. What people say. Works to keep extensions off the floor. I originally needed one, so I've been using these for remotes, and sticking other things to walls. In addition, I've used it for my power strip, and it holds well. The tape it comes with is like a gel. These are great. Just a word of advice: don't try to mount these with the power strip horizontally, it just won't hold very well due to leverage. Mount vertically with the power strip's power cord facing straight down and you'll be just fine. Number 3. Adhesive Socket Holder. Tired of tangled cords and unsightly power strips? This innovative holder provides a simple solution for organizing your cables and keeping your space tidy. It's made from durable, high-quality plastic and silicone. This ensures it's long-lasting and can handle various cable thicknesses. Featuring industrial-grade 3M adhesive, it sticks firmly to most surfaces without leaving any residue. The longer it bonds, the stronger it gets. No more messy drilling. Simply peel and stick it to any smooth surface. Installation is quick and easy. It's not just for power strips. Use it to organize remotes, tissue boxes, routers, and more. It adheres to wood, metal, glass, and various other surfaces. This set includes 12 self-adhesive power strip mounts and 6 additional cord holders to keep all your cables neat and organized. What we like. This product boasts strong, long-lasting adhesion. Installation is a breeze, and it's perfect for various applications. If you need a strong, versatile adhesive solution, this is the best option. Number 2. Adhesive Socket Holder, 8 PCS. Tired of tangled cords and messy power strips? This innovative holder provides a simple solution to keep your home organized and your electronics easily accessible. It boasts a powerful adhesive that can hold up to 3 kilograms. It's perfect for power strips, routers, and more. Installation is a breeze. Simply peel and stick. No tools or drilling required. The slide rail design allows for easy removal of your power strip when needed. It's also reusable. It's not just for power strips. Use it to organize remotes, paper towels, or even small kitchen appliances. Keep your home accessories neatly organized and say goodbye to messy cords and clutter. It's the perfect solution for any room. What we like. This holder is easily removable and simple to install. Plus, it can hold up to 3 kilograms. If you need a strong, removable, and easy to install solution, this is for you. What people say. They are doing what I needed. Seems sturdy enough. I liked the different angles that you can install. They can also be used for way more than just mounting power strips. These mounts enable me to affix and organize certain items that may need to be easily removed from time to time. They are durable and slide nicely. The adhesive seems to hold very well, so no worries about things falling or getting damaged. Number 1. Power Strip Holder Fixator. Tired of tangled cords and unsightly power strips? This innovative holder provides a simple solution for organizing your electronics and keeping your home tidy. It's incredibly easy to install, simply peel and stick it to any clean, smooth surface. No tools or drilling required. This holder is designed to be removable and reusable. You can easily reposition it or remove it without leaving any residue. It's perfect for power strips, routers, remotes, and more. Use it in the kitchen, bathroom, office, anywhere you need to keep things organized. The package includes 12 power strip holders and 12 transparent cable clips to help you manage your cords even more effectively. It's a complete solution for cord organization. It adheres well to smooth surfaces like ceramic tile, glass, and more. However, it's not suitable for textured surfaces such as wallpaper or brick. What we like. This one is easily removable and a cinch to install. It's also great for various items and locations. If you value ease of use and versatility, this is the ideal choice. What people say. Arrived as advertised. Nice product. Attached to bed and side table. The sticky really stuck well. Just put it up and it is putting my cords right where I want them. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.